So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use custom instructions in Chatgpt. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So here in Chatgpt there has been a new feature that has been announced earlier this couple months ago, where there is a new feature called custom instructions. As you can see here, custom instructions would just give you a very precise and concise and easier way to get the information you want in just minutes and not having to just repeat yourself to ChatGPT every once in a while. So this is basically like a digital persona where it would want you to ask like what would ChatGPT like to know about yourself to have a better response. So here I'll be teaching you how to fill in these two types of gaps right here, and I'll teach you in an easy way. So here it's gonna ask you what would you like to what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide a better experience. So here you would place if you have a profession or a role. Perhaps you want to say you're a digital marketer or a manager online or a marketing strategist. So for a mid-sized tech company or something like that. So here you want to say you're a digital, let's say a digital marketer, and there you go. And then just press comma right there. So here your next one is what's your specific interest. So you also want to place where you're based. So if you're based in America, so it's gonna give you information relevant only to the Northern Americans or Southern American part of the world. So here you want to place also your interests. So you want to place that you're passionate about your social media. So I'm passionate about social media, and there you go. So there's also your current projects which are being asked. So what do you do for work and other things like that. So here there's your current projects. So you want to tell ChatGPT what you do and what you're doing currently for a living. So here you want to say that you're currently I'm working on a campaign. So let's just place that right there, campaign. So, my bad guys. Campaign, there you go. So to boost a product, there you go. So next here you have your subjects that you could talk about for hours. So your specific interest too, you want to place that in, like your values, your principles, your learning style, your goals, and your preferences, like I have told you. So here you also want your language proficiency. So my English is above average. Those are things like that. So you can also place specialized knowledge, such as you specialize in engine marketing or other things like that. So you can also place your educational background, like having a degree in concentration in marketing, something like that. And you also want to place your communication style, such as you're friendly. I am a friendly person. So I am a friendly person, yet professional. So ChatGPT will take down in notes that you are this type of person and you only concede this type of things that you want. So here in our next box, you will have to find your how would you like ChatGPT to respond. So basically here, there's a thoughtful starter guide for you. So the response format that you want is please provide. So reminder guys, is just only an example on how you would use it. So please provide responses in a clear and structured manner and structured manner. So as you can see right there, that is our first prompt. How would you like ChatGPT to respond to you from a question? So next is checking your balance. So you want to always verify information with ChatGPT, any marketing statistics, something like that. So any marketing statistics or trends you share against reliable sources. And as you can see here, this will take into note on how you want your response to be, and it will give you a concise one like you have given it. So you also want to give it a critical thinking level, so you can offer thoughtful insights and perspectives. So offer thoughtful insights and also perspectives. So here, once you have given a question to ChatGPT, it will also give you type of insights that you want, even perspectives on new items that you don't even know about. So here, you also want to give its creativity level. So you want to say that you welcome innovative ideas too, and you also want to give it its problem-solving approach. So here you want to take a strategic problem-solving approach, considering both short-term and long-term implications. You can place that right here in our box right here. So next is you also want to place your bias awareness, since you also want to avoid favoring a market or platform or strategy over another without valid reasons. So perhaps a ChatGPT will bias over Apple over Samsung, so you don't want that. You want an equal level of information from these two platforms. So lastly, you also want to place your language preference, and you say you want to prefer only to use English, and you want to do standard English with industry-specific terminology as required only. So once you have done that, so this is only an example, guys, you want to press save right here, and it will only apply to new chats. So you just press your new chats. So I want data from Samsung versus Apple, so something like that. So here it will say, there you go, let's give you precise and content only things that you want to know to your profession. So compared if you do this without the custom instruction, so let's just remove that for now and let's save it. So you say you want this, so let's compare it to a new chat right there, and let's see the two differences that it will give you. So it just gave me a company overview, smartphone market share, and unlike this one, it gave us other things that are relevant to our profession only. So basically, this is how you use your custom instructions in ChatGPT, and you can prompt it to however you like in your own profession, in your own liking, and in your own concise thinking. So this depends on you on how you want to do it. So this is just an example, and I'm happy to share it to you guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.